If you're seeing the Chrome error bad request, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you a few simple fixes that can usually solve it fast. This issue is often caused by corrupted cookies, cached files, extension conflicts, or even a small mistake in the URL itself. So stick with me, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to troubleshoot it, step by step. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. First, let's try the easiest and most common fix, which is clearing Chrome cache and cookies. On your keyboard, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time if you're on Windows. If you're on Mac, you can use the equivalent shortcut for your device. This opens the Clear Browsing Data menu right away. Here, make sure you select cookies and other site data, and also cached images and files. Then, change the time range to all time so Chrome clears everything that could be causing the problem. Once those options are selected, click Delete Data and let Chrome finish the process. After that, restart Chrome completely and try loading the website again. In many cases, this alone fixes the bad request error because it removes damaged or outdated browser data. Next, before you clear everything, it's also a smart idea to test the site in an Incognito window. This helps you quickly check whether the issue is related to your cookies or saved browsing session. To do that, press Ctrl, Shift, and N on Windows, or CMD, Shift, and N on Mac to open a private browsing window. Then enter the same website and see if it loads properly. If the site works in incognito mode, that's a strong sign the problem is isolated to your regular Chrome cookies or cached session data. If it still doesn't work, then the issue may be something else. After that, let's check for extension conflicts, because browser extensions can sometimes interfere with web requests and trigger a 400 bad request error. This happens a lot with ad blockers, PDF viewers, VPN tools, and other extensions that modify page behavior or request headers. To test this, click the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome, hover over extensions, and then click Manage Extensions. From there, temporarily toggle off your extensions one by one, especially any that you recently installed or any that deal with privacy, downloads, or page filtering. Once they're disabled, refresh the page and see whether the error disappears. If the website loads normally after turning off one of them, you've found the culprit. You can then leave that extension disabled or replace it with a safer alternative. Finally, don't overlook the URL itself, because sometimes the problem is as simple as a typo. A bad request error can appear if the web address includes the wrong path, strange characters, extra symbols, or a URL that is too long or incomplete. So carefully check the address bar and make sure the web address is correct. If you copied and pasted the link, try copying it again from the original source or go back to the main website and navigate to the page manually. Even a tiny mistake in the URL can trigger this error, so it's always worth double checking. So to recap, if Chrome says bad request, start by clearing cache and cookies, test the site in incognito mode, disable suspicious extensions, and verify the URL for mistakes. One of those steps will usually get you back on track. If this video helped, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple browser fixes and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.